Let's unbox this mini spa retreat by Satavi Naturals. This is a gorgeous packaging. This would be a perfect present. 3 pairs in this one as well, I forgot to mention. So 3 pairs of those. And then we have, let's see. Ooh, we have a sugar scrub. You can see that here. It is a lavender, eucalyptus, mint, and citrus blend. That sounds delicious. Ooh, look at those, guys. That looks absolutely amazing. And what do we have in this package here? This smells delicious. Ooh, a candle. So you can unwind by the warm glow of the candle while you are doing your relaxing self-care time. And last but certainly not least, we have these crystal for anybody in your life. Let's see what's inside. Bath bombs. These are also in that lavender, eucalyptus, mint, and citrus blend, which if you guys could smell through the camera, it smells absolutely amazing. So we have that in there as well. Like I said, this would be a great gift for anybody in your life. Female, male, somebody who's going through a hard time, somebody just for a birthday present, a Christmas present, anything like that. This would be really wonderful for them. All right, so we open it up. It tells you that there's everything that you need inside to escape into tranquility. So, first we have the 24K golden eye mask. So this is to revitalize your eyes with the lavish 24K golden eye mask. Perfect. Next we have, a steam eye mask. So that you can rejuvenate with your luxurious steam eye mask. And there's 3 pairs in there. There was also